Well, viruses are usually more common in the fall and the winter, but this year area clinics are starting to see some of them a little bit earlier than normal.
Kamari Hamer talked to a healthcare expert about the recent uptick. He joins us now in the studio. So Kamari, what's behind the recent rise in illness?
Well, Grace, football season just started back and we just had a holiday last week. So those might be two of the reasons that germs are resurging, and with the fall approaching and bringing even more holidays, the viruses could get even worse, but there are ways to fight off those germs. It is very simple. Keeping your distance from others and taking a few minutes to disinfect surfaces are just a couple of easy ways to stay safe and stay clean.
We are seeing an influx of lots of different conditions.
President of Allegro Family Clinic, Amy Bogue, says her clinic has been seeing a lot of patients with a variety of illnesses, including some that don't normally show up this early in the year.
It has varied, but a lot of people, it starts with sinus, and it goes from there. But it does feel a little bit early, but this is kind of about the time when it gets started, and then October it really ramps up.
According to the CDC, Mississippi has experienced recent upticks in whooping cough. Cases involving respiratory viruses like COVID-19 and the flu have also seen increases earlier this year.
I think the COVID numbers are probably higher because several are not choosing to test. And so it masks itself. It is a virus, and it masks itself as other things. And so you don't really know what it is until you get tested.
Bogue says the recent Labor Day holiday and the return of sporting events could be factors in the early return.
Anytime we have kind of a travel weekend and people are in airports and around large groups, and football season, Friday nights, Saturday nights, we're just in these huge crowds, and so sure, germs could carry around.
Doing things as simple as washing your hands and getting a flu shot could be the difference in keeping you healthy this fall.
Washing your hands, especially when you're in a crowded situation, even at the gas pumps or the grocery store, just use some sanitizer after that, and then just being aware of coughs and things like that.
And Bogue also recommends taking multivitamins to stay healthy and to help fight off those germs.